Do you want to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet account to your bank account? Follow these steps and I'll show you exactly what to do. So if you go ahead over here and click on send, you'll be able to send crypto to another crypto account. However, you will not be able to send crypto directly to your bank account. You will need another app to do so. So what we're going to do is jump into a crypto exchange. So we're going to go and use Bybit, which is the homepage that you're seeing right now. You're going to tap on deposit, and then you're going to tap on deposit crypto, and you're going to go and select or type in the crypto that you would like to deposit. In this case, I'm going with Solana, and you'll have to select the chain type as well. We're going to go and copy address and jump back into Phantom. Here we're going to go and paste this address into the recipient's block right at the top. You're now going to tap on it and add the amount that you would like to send to your bank account. You're going to go ahead and tap on next. Here you will see where it's going to, the network you're using, as well as the network fee. And here it's now being sent to Bybit. Here you're going to just tap on assets down at the bottom on the right hand side. You're going to go and tap on the cryptocurrency that you've just received. You now go ahead and tap on sell. You can now add the amount that you would like to add into your bank account. You're going to tap on the sell button on the bottom of the page. You're going to go back to your home page, tap on withdraw. At the top you'll see crypto and fiat. You're going to go and tap on fiat. Select your currency. This page will show your payment method, and you're going to go and tap on continue on the bottom of the screen. You've now transferred crypto from your Phantom account and withdrawn it into your bank account. I hope this was helpful.